I know how easy it is with weddings to get swept up with the tradition and the dress and the music and the rice and...
Well, birdseed. Birdseed, go on.
Tomorrow you're going to put that beautiful dress on and walk down the aisle to Robert, who is so handsome and powerful. My God, he could be president one day. And you're going to commit the rest of your life to him. And before you know it, you will have completely forgotten who you are and what you stand for.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Maybe I didn't say that right. Sweetie, listen, marriage is not easy. And then you'll have kids and lose yourself completely.
Wait a minute, Mom. Sarah told me that you were going to give me a gushy speech that would make me cry. And what is this that I'm getting?
Maybe back then I was giving the warm and wonderful marriage speech. I'm wiser now, and I have some things to say to you. I'm not going to lie.
Please lie. Please lie. I would prefer you to lie.
I want you to protect the woman that you are, Kitty. I've seen you struggle with Robert's career and his ambition. I don't want you to let him hold you back.
No, I can't hear you.
Kitty, stop acting like a child.
I'll start acting like my mother. Mom, I am getting married tomorrow. I am really, really nervous. I have to write my vows, and I don't need you to give me cold feet.
I have some things I want to say to you.
Silence is golden.